You ready? Okay. Hi, my name is Janine. I'm 60 years old. I traveled to Ikaria by myself. This is my 9th trip to Greece. I was familiar with Diane before I came, having watched some of her YouTube videos and enjoyed her cookbooks and her recipes. I wasn't sure what to expect when I came here. And I arrived, and within a couple of days, I could not believe how a group of strangers became a group of friends, partly because of Diane's calm and her welcoming attitude, her assistance. The island of Ikaria is an incredible place. I had a lot of things to say all week, but right now I think I would only use one word. The island, the class, the food we prepared, the food we've had out at restaurants. It's magical. It's a magical place, and it will change you forever. I learned little tricks in cooking, like to massage my zucchini with a little bit of salt before I wring the water out of it, to use a lot more herbs, a lot more onions, a lot more garlic, and a lot more olive oil to make my food more delicious. And I think that I haven't felt so peaceful and so calm and so rejuvenated in many, many years. And I think my biggest takeaway from Ikaria is that I feel joyful, I feel positive, and I feel hopeful. And I couldn't think of a better way to spend 6 days on this planet. So thank you to everyone.